Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build credit with PNC Points Visa step by step clearly. To build credit with the PNC Points Visa, start by applying for the card. Ensure that you meet the eligibility criteria, including a good credit score. Once approved, familiarize yourself with the card's features, including earning points and potential rewards. Use the card regularly for everyday purchases. Aim to charge only what you can afford to pay off each month. Set a budget to keep your spending in check. Make sure to pay your bill on time each month. Consider setting up automatic payments to avoid late fees. Keep your credit utilization below 30% of your total credit limit. Monitor your credit report regularly for accuracy and improvements. Take advantage of any PNC tools or resources available to cardholders. Be mindful of any promotional offers that can help you earn additional points. Participate in bonus point opportunities for specific purchases. Consider using your points for rewards that benefit your financial goals. Stay disciplined and avoid applying for too many new credit lines at once. Review your credit history to track your progress over time. Continue making on-time payments to build a positive credit score. Engage with PNC's customer service for any questions or assistance regarding your account. As your credit score improves, consider requesting a credit limit increase. Maintain a good relationship with the bank to understand future product offerings that can benefit you. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account in payment. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.